In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print specific sections in Microsoft Word. When you want to print just a portion of your Microsoft Word document, there are a couple of different ways you can choose exactly what you want to print. This can be useful when you're working with a longer document and only need a particular section instead of printing the entire document. The first method is to manually select the content that you want to print. To do this, click and drag your mouse over the specific text or section that you want to print. Make sure you select all of the content you need before opening the print settings. Once you've selected the content, open the print preview by pressing Ctrl+P on your keyboard. This will take you to the print area in Microsoft Word, where you can review the document before printing. In the settings area, you'll normally see an option that says Print All Pages. Select that option to view the available choices. From the menu, choose Print Selection. Microsoft Word will now print only the text that you selected in the document. This is a convenient option when you only need to print a small portion of a document. The other method is to use the navigation pane to tell Microsoft Word exactly which section you want to print. To open the navigation pane, click the area near the bottom of the Word window where it shows the current page and total number of pages. This will open the navigation pane on the side of the document. The navigation pane may initially display the Results section. From there, select Headings to view the headings that are organized throughout your document. Now, let's say you want to print a specific section such as a mission statement. Find the heading for that section in the navigation pane, then right-click on it. From the menu that appears, choose Print Heading and Content. Microsoft Word will then select the heading and the content that belongs to that section and take you back to the print preview area with print selection chosen. I prefer this method when I'm printing whole sections or topics because I don't have to worry about manually selecting too much or too little information before opening the print settings. So if your document uses headings and you want to print an entire section, open the navigation pane, right-click the heading you want, and choose Print Heading and Content. And that's how you can print specific sections in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel.